Hello.
Hello. Hi there. This is Lynn Andrews, and we are at the Capitola Pier, and we thought that we'd share a update on the progress of what's happening.
We've been watching this kind of go along for a little bit now, and you might be able to see like down over there. What they've been doing is kind of marching all the way down, and they're widening it, which was part of the original plan to begin with. There's always a plan to kind of renovate the pier and the wharf. Just this kind of made it a little bit more urgent. They've been coming along. They've got that crane there that's actually been going through and putting new pilings in to kind of reinforce everything. And they're putting steel trusses underneath as well to make it a little bit more strong. So it's going to be really rock solid by the time everything's done. So they've kind of got right to where the break is. So
there.
So at this point in time, there's just a couple more spots over, and then they'll reconnect it again for the first time in a year. Because remember, it's been almost a year now since the storm came through and wiped it out. But yeah, so at that point in time, still going to be summertime, I think, before they actually open it up again. There's the restaurant, the Pier restaurant, and then the where you could go through and rent
those little boats,
and everything.
Boats.
Yeah, so all that's been be out of business for a year and a half.